If you've ever wanted to send a photo from your camera roll as a normal snap on Snapchat without that annoying from camera roll tag, this is the video you've been waiting for. Today, I'm showing you a simple, fast, and completely free method that works on both iPhone and Android. And the best part, you won't need any third-party apps. Let's get into it. First, open up your Snapchat app. Now, instead of heading straight to the camera, you're going to tap on the search icon at the top right. Yes, the little magnifying glass. In the search bar, type green screen. Snapchat has a built-in green screen filter that allows you to set any photo from your gallery as the background. That's exactly the trick we're using. Once the filter comes up, tap it to open. You'll now see an option to select a background image, usually labeled gallery, camera roll, or something similar depending on your device. Go ahead and tap that and choose the exact photo you want to send. As soon as the picture loads in the background, you'll notice it fills the frame like a normal snap. At this point, you can decide whether you want to appear in the snap or not. If you don't, simply cover the front camera with your finger or tilt your phone away. The entire snap will now look like a regular photo taken directly from the Snapchat camera. From here, feel free to get creative. You can swipe right to add filters, place stickers, text, or any other Snapchat effects, just like you would with a standard snap. Everything still behaves normally. Now, when you're ready, tap the send arrow. Choose your friend or your story, and that's it. The photo will be delivered as a normal snap, not a camera roll upload. No tags, no hints, just a clean snap that looks freshly taken. And that's the whole trick. Simple, fast, and super useful when you want to send something special without the camera roll label giving it away. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more Snapchat tips and hidden tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.